Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to add a bank account in Xero in super easy steps. Let's dive in. First of all, what we have to do is of course open our account. For this I have opened a new free trial account for you, so you will see the experience as a new beginner just like this account, and of course your account will be just like this one right here. First thing to do is always go into your email and make sure the account is verified and everything, so whenever you do, it will not get cancelled or anything, and this will be super easy then. After doing everything, I can add a bank account in actually 3 different ways. First one is from accounting, and after going into accounting, I will go into chart of accounts right here under the advanced section. I can click on chart of accounts. And after this opens up, I can just click to add account or add bank account. Of course, since for this video is for bank accounts, I will do add bank account here. And when it comes to this page, of course, it will want you to find your account depending on your country and everything. So yes, this way you will be able to do everything like you want it. But if you are wanting for a simple way, always you can go into accounting again and click into bank accounts right here. Click into bank accounts. Of course, it will say that you currently have no bank accounts. You can either click this button here to add a bank account. It will tell us to the same page, or we can go back and use this button here to add a bank account, because if you already have a bank account added by someone else and if you don't know how to do it, this yellow button, yellow part will not be here because you will have a bank account. But whatever you do, this add bank account button will always be here for you to use. So you will just do that, go into here. Of course, since my country is now depending as Turkey, it will not show any normal average accounts. I will choose United Kingdom for this video. Then you can just select any of the popular banks here. First of all, for example, let's search HSBC, and it will show us HSBC Kinetic, HSBC Personal, Corporate, Business. I will select Personal, and after selecting a bank, you can either connect HSBC Personal or any bank to Xero by just logging into your bank, or you can just add the details by hand, which one feels safer for you. I will just say skip, don't connect to my bank. Then it will send me to this screen if I don't connect automatically. I will make it personal, select the account type as credit card. I will enter the last digits of the account and select my currency, but right now it's Turkish lira. I will just say save and continue after adding all of my details. Of course, right now, as you can see, it will say that the personal, of course the account name, has been added, and now I will be able to see it under the bank account section right here. And if you want to delete an account, you can always go into accounting, chart of accounts, and from here you can find your account creation. Click on the little button here and then say delete to of course delete the newly created account, and then just create a new one. So guys, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to see you in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.